Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from Arty Crafty. CBSE has recently published the sample question paper for the subject Sculpture having code number 051 along with the marking scheme. Today I am here for you to solve the sample question paper. So let's start. Time allowed 2 hours. Maximum marks is 30. Questions are grouped into 5 sections. Section first consists of 6 MCQs and each carries 1 mark. Section second comprises 3 questions and you have to answer any one from each part of the 3 questions in 30 words. Each question carries 2 marks. There are 2 questions in section third and you have to answer any one from each part of the 2 questions in 100 words. Each question carries 3 marks. Section 4th contains 3 questions from Mughal and Deccan School of Miniature Paintings. You have to answer any one under the headings of name of the artist, sub-school, medium and technique, subject matter and composition in 200 words. It carries 6 marks. In section 5th, there are 2 descriptions of paintings and you have to identify the respective painting and write any one in 200 words. It carries 6 marks. Now, I am going to solve all the questions one by one. Here we go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if there is any doubt or query, please put a note at the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye.